What's up, everyone? I'm having some problem with programming and coding and learning how to do that sort of stuff. It has been kind of crazy. I've got something working. So I've got this program here, right? And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get, and as you can see with the phone, it seems to be working, but I can't see anything. I don't know what the hell's going on there. I don't know what's going on there. So obviously there's audio, but for some reason... Oh, there we go, okay. Boom, there we go, so... So I've got like a little... So I've got my phone to go into OBS, so that's pretty cool. Using the same sort of system as my backpack. And I have got it working. I've got the phone and the backpack both going to the same stream to OBS at the same time. It's very glitchy there, and I don't really know why. But I've got this program here, right? And if I go... I think I just go run. Yeah, run module. This actually shows what the bitrate is. Sometimes I'm not really sure why it goes... So at the moment it's at 3724. That seems to be pretty constant. And what does it say here? 32550, but it's adaptive bitrate, so it changes. So I've got this going all the time. What I'm trying to do, right, is I'm trying to get this sort of program working in the chatbot. So the chat, I'm trying to make a new parameter, which is exclamation mark bitrate. $ bitrate, so I can go like exclamation mark bitrate, and it says what the current bitrate of the backpack is, or phone if I'm using that. And also I'm trying to also get the chatbot to say if it gets below a certain level for too long, like it goes below, if it ever goes below 1000 for more than like 5 iterations, that means it's effed, and that means I need to restart the backpack, which is very important because when you get too low on the backpack you can't bring it back up, so you have to restart the stream. So that's what I'm trying to do. So at the moment I have got it working somewhat, so I can get the phone here. So I've got the phone working, and I've got the backpack working, and I've got a Python script working. I just need to somehow understand how the chatbot works. So that's what I'm trying to do at the moment. But also I'm going to try and do, if it gets below a certain level and it does go F, or the stream DCs, it automatically switches screens to this screen. Something happened, be back shortly. Just a very simple screen, and this should eventually go back to the phone. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't, yeah, here we go. So sometimes it doesn't do exactly what's right, but yeah, and I want to try and get the black bars, get rid of the black bars on the side, but I'm not really sure how to do that with the phone. But yeah, that's where I'm at. So trying to get these Python scripts working, try and get everything sorted. It's been a while since I programmed, that's for sure. But things are coming together nicely. And I'm just gonna keep chugging along with it. So that's basically what this update is about. And I'm finding out new things all the time with the interaction between the backpack and OBS. Like there was one time, there is this sort of weird quality glitch, where I think for some reason the OBS doesn't connect to the server correctly, and whenever you do some movement, it glitches out. So I have found out that if you just, it's whenever you switch scenes, I find. So just, you switch scenes again, come back to it, and hopefully it connects correctly, I think. So that's good. So that was the main issue on the last stream I did, was most of it was this weird glitchiness where every time I moved it sort of lagged pixels. Very strange. But yeah, exciting stuff. Exciting that I've got a Python script working. Sometimes you can see it goes to 0, so I'm not really sure what that's about. I might have to do it like every 30 seconds or something like that. I'm not sure. I'll have to figure out exactly, or try and get the... But yeah, peace out guys, that's an update. The streams are going quite well. Also, I I've switched off the stream on my phone, and now it should start saying just 0. Alright, you can see it's gone down, and now it's going 0, 0, 0, 0. Oh, still got a little bit left. Alright, so as you can see, like, I've turned off the stream and it kind of dies slowly, so that's pretty cool as well. But yeah, that's all I have to really say today. Pretty cool. It was a huge break. This was like the last vlog I did was the breakthrough, and I finally got a script working where it can show me the actual kilobits per second. Not kilobytes, that's kilobits, by the way, not kilobytes. So I should change the wording, but I'm just testing out things. Yeah, thank you all for watching this vlog, and a little bit of an update. I guess all these vlogs are just updates on my life and what I'm doing. So peace out, brothers and sisters.